Good morning, guys. Today I'm gonna cook beef stew. Okay, beef stew. Okay, so to start, okay, let's get started. I'm gonna fry this one first. This one is already cut or sliced in the supermarket, so that's why I just bought this one. Okay, I'm gonna add uh uh okay, let's stir it. Okay, let's go back, guys, when it's already cooked. Okay, the meat is brown already, so I'm going to add butter. And then we're gonna saute the garlic. And then the bell pepper. And then, guys, we forgot the tomato sauce. Okay, use tomato sauce. Okay, I use tomato sauce because there's no tomato paste. And then I'm gonna add the tomato paste or tomato sauce. We need water, and then we need beef cubes. Okay, guys, I'm gonna add beef cubes. Okay, and let's cover this one for simmer for how many minutes, and we'll be right back. I'm going to add the carrots and potatoes, and then as well as the celery. Look at our stew, guys. It's super yummy. Okay, we're gonna cover again for the carrots and potatoes. It's done. Look at, it's super yummy. The beef, it's very tender. Okay, look at. Okay, and now I'm going to taste, guys. Mm, mm, it's tasty, guys. Mm, mm, okay. Okay, guys. It's very tasty. That's our beef stew, okay? Guys, that's our beef stew. This is the beef stew, guys. Look at. It's very yummy and very tasty. Okay, if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bruja, to my Instagram, D_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram, and to all my accounts, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.